The project, which is being developed by Saudi Aramco, is one of the biggest development projects in the Middle East and is situated within walking distance from Makkah's Grand Mosque. It'll provide residential units, hotels, plazas, and other service amenities for 40,000 people. Vice has been working closely with the developer for over a year, helping to install indoor and outdoor fittings for ambient and wall grazing applications. Welcome back to Genesis. In today's video, we'll look at another mind-blowing project in the Middle East, the Jabal Omar project. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for regular updates. Jabal Omar Development Company is arguably one of the largest real estate developers in the region and one of the largest listed companies on Saudi Tadawul Stock Exchange. Its flagship project, Jabal Omar, is a mixed-use real estate mega-development project within walking distance of the Grand Mosque of Makkah. With a total estimated cost for its construction around $2.4 billion, Jabal Omar will feature over 120 high-rise towers and podiums, plus more than 1 million square meters of mixed-use development, including retail, entertainment venues, and office space. The Jabal Omar project is a joint effort between JODC and the Saudi Arabian government to create a new park in Makkah. As the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia continues to increase its capacity to welcome a growing number of pilgrims, JODC is a proud contributor to the development of the area surrounding the Grand Mosque and strives to provide Makkah's visitors and residents with a unique spiritual and physical experience. The Jabal Omar project will include a variety of 4-star and 5-star hotels with the capacity to host 36,000 visitors annually and more than 100,000 visitors during the Hajj season. The project will feature an international standard convention center with a capacity of 6,000 people and an amphitheater with a capacity of 2,000 people. The project will offer various shopping facilities and cultural sites, Islamic museums, that will enrich the visitors' experiences. It's estimated there are about 50 million tourists visiting the country annually, and this figure is increasing each year. The project aims at providing a new and unique experience for the tourists to visit. The project will be developed on an area of 6 hectares with a total budget of 5 billion pesos. The development of this project will be done by setting up a complex network of roads, tracks, bridges, and other infrastructure, such as water supply systems, sewage system, etc., in order to provide clean drinking water for all visitors. The Jabal Omar project is a joint venture between the Saudi Ministry of Hajj and Umrah, the Saudi General Tourism Authority, and the Public Investment Fund, with the goal of improving the experience of visitors to the Holy Mosque, including roadways that connect visitors to events throughout Mecca and Medina. This project will also include an integrated transportation system that connects various sites throughout Mecca and Medina by bus or rail. The Jabal Omar project will be completed in 2025. The company continuously seeks to support Saudi youth by providing many job opportunities in various fields to serve the guests of Allah, especially the people of Makkah. The project will provide thousands of job opportunities upon completion. The project is part of Jabal Omar Development Company's vision to help Saudi youth by providing job opportunities and continuous training in various fields. Jabal Omar Development Company is committed to supporting the kingdom's efforts to support Saudization plans and has already contributed significantly in this regard through its previous projects. The project aims at providing more than 3,000 job opportunities, as well as training for university students and women who seek employment. JADCO will also provide advice for young men and women seeking employment at JADCO's divisions. JADCO strives to increase women's participation in various fields such as engineering, architecture, construction, and maintenance work. The company believes that female participation is essential for the progress of society and economy as a whole. The Jabal Omar project is a program designed to enrich and deepen the experience of visitors to the holy mosques during Hajj and Umrah. The goal is to allow the best possible number of Muslims to perform Hajj and Umrah to the fullest, while providing them with the best services possible. It will also increase job opportunities for youth and raise employment rates, as well as raise women's participation in the labor market from 22% to 30%. Finally, it will reduce the unemployment rate from 11.6% to 7%. So what do you feel about the Jabal Omar project? Let us know in the comment section below. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.